Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Testing. This thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hi, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Mim.
We're in the good here, aren't we?
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
We're that track switch.
My guidance sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I am so finally there. Would you have one to place it round? I would feel by my side. The stars will clear night. Nothing can slow us down. The stars will clear night. Nothing can stop.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Welcome back, Railroad Riders.